Hello, good morning, people of the world, all over the world. My special greetings goes to you. I am Asafwaji. I'm speaking from Ghana, Kumasi, to be precise, a town known as Dodona. We have come to the realization that poverty is killing a lot of people prematurely. So I'm going to show you a simple means by which you can make some income into your finances. You can increase your finances. That's what I mean. The simple method is you can get this gallon, which has become a menace to society. You can get this gallon. It has become a menace to society, to environmental menace. You understand? Meaning you can see them cut all over everywhere. You get it, and then you get it. Then you cut it in two. I've already cut it, but I want to show you like it's like this. You put it like this down here, and then you cut it into two. By using this machine or by any means that you can use to cut it, whether a hot knife or anything at all. After you have divided it into two, divide it into two like this, then you find. So this is my fellow worker. We have planted about 6,000 of this on just a 30-meter plot. So as a minister, as a lawyer, as a judge, whatever profession, a laborer, a seamstress, whatever profession, you can engage yourself in this small farming and make a lot of money. Especially in the dry season, you can use this sprinkler. You can use this sprinkler to make a lot of money. So as this a friend of mine is enjoying the planting. So I'm going to advise everybody in the world that should go my way, love my video, share it, and then subscribe it. It's going to help you. Thank you very much.